I'm Rob Zip, and you're watching The Most Epic Adventures. Today, in this episode, I am in Chicago in Lincoln Park, and we're going to visit the Lincoln Park Zoo. Stick around. Alright, we're not even in the zoo yet, and look at this bird. I don't think I've seen a bird like this with the markings on its wings. Look how beautiful that is. Hey little birdie. I'm probably gonna scare it off here in a second. We'll see it fly away. Look at the wings on that thing. Let me zoom out. There he goes. Very cool. Here's the nature boardwalk going to the zoo. Nice families all walking towards the zoo. So a few things about the Lincoln Park Zoo. I can take this off. I'm not actually in the zoo yet. So a few things about the Lincoln Park Zoo is that it's one of the oldest zoos in the United States. It was built in 1866, which makes it the fourth oldest zoo in the country. And it's still one of the few zoos in the country that is absolutely free. The other one I know of is the St. Louis Zoo, and that has Anheuser-Busch logos all over the park. And I don't believe there's a sponsorship like that here in this zoo. The thing about the admissions, though, you do have to make a reservation. You do have to go on Eventbrite and get a ticket. It is absolutely free, but you have to reserve your time for entry. I didn't even think about that until I was on my way down here, and luckily there were still admissions available. So it's like 10:35, since 10:36 as I'm recording this, and my admission time is between 11 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. So thankfully I was able to get a morning admission and not have to wait later in the day. I wouldn't be able to come here if I had to wait later in the day. So as of right now, this is April 2021. You do have to make a reservation, get a ticket on Eventbrite, so you have to have a smartphone, and you will have to have a mask. This is all part of what life is like right now. So I'm recording this on April 26th, 2021. It is a Monday, and it is an absolutely gorgeous day here in Chicago. It was really cold yesterday. It's still a little chilly, but I was able to take off my jacket and my sweater that I was wearing earlier. That's what the backpack comes in handy for. But keep in mind, the weather here in April can be all over the place. So just be prepared. Bring coats, bring jackets, and bring shorts. You never know. And here again, reservations are required. There's the Eventbrite page, and they do actually have a phone number if you don't have a smartphone, so they can help you out. That's good to know. You're welcome. Chicago's free zoo open 365 days a year. Right outside the zoo, we have a statue of Hans Christian Andersen. Very cool. You can tell it's a copper statue of how blue it is. He's got the swan right next to him. Very cool thing. Check it out right before you go into the zoo. It's a cool pedestrian tunnel. If you come in from the other side of the street, you don't have to cross the street. Part of the park. Safety first. For wildlife, for all. Look at these cool animals up here. The bear's got a salmon. All right, I had an 11 a.m. reservation, but they let me in a little early, so that's great. I didn't have to wait around. I can just come on in and enjoy the zoo. I hope you guys enjoy this trip to the zoo with me too. Let's see what they have. All right when you come in, you've got the seal pool. You can see some seals swimming around over there, hanging out. Got some seaweed. Oh, there's a seal. There is a seal. These seals here are in absolutely no danger of being eaten by a shark or an orca. They are safe and sound. It's really cool how the water goes over the edge there so it can constantly circulate. That's really interesting. They have this whole seating area where you can sit and watch the seals if you'd like. Look at them playing over there. Nice. We have a Lionel train adventure over here, so you can ride the train around the zoo. You know how much we love that. Let's find out about that. Well, it's closed off due to COVID, I believe. The Lionel train adventure is closed off. The kiddie train. But we've got some nice tables in the shade here. You can relax. So, cool. Edie Levy's Landmark Cafe. Cool old building here. Looks like they're not open right now, but there are snack and beverage carts around the zoo, it looks like. There you go. You can scan it and get the menu and see. Here is actually their menu, but you can scan to pull it up on your phone, I guess. So prices do not include tax, that's America for you. There's the gift shop. We will be making a stop in that on our way out. Reminders to wear face mask. They're doing some construction here. Looks like they're building a whole new area of the zoo. Jamaican iguanas. Oh, they're that direction. I have no idea, but that's going to be huge. That's cute. This says, pardon our dust, we're building a new home for lions. Rawr. Here's the endangered species carousel. Doesn't look like it's... Nope, it is closed. So they have the carousel closed. Sorry, Mom. Can't see the carousel in action. Alright, here's the other side of the lion house. That looks amazing. The Culver Lion House. What a beautiful building that they're putting up for these lions. Now we're going to the south end of the zoo. Let's see what's in this building. It's the Helen Brock Primate House. Built in 1926 and 1927. This is an old zoo. I have to take my glasses off because they're so dark. Oh, these are cool. These are always fun. The mold-oramas. You can get a gorilla. $3. I might have to do that. I don't know. Those are always fun. Where are the monkeys? Where are the monkeys? I don't see the monkeys. There's a monkey sleeping up there. Or is that a sloth? That looks like a sloth. Look at those claws. Look at the little guys. Whoop. Whoa. That's the action you're looking for. Look at those cute little monkeys, all bunched up with their tails intertwined, yawning. So adorable. Look at them. So cute. The monkeys. Monkey magic. Come on, monkeys. Monkey magic. You can see she's chopping up all the fruits and vegetables for the primates to keep them all well nutritioned. She's got buckets for the different animals, with different ones need different foods. Very cool. And as soon as you come out of the primate house, you've got the gorilla exhibit. Oh, look at him.
Yeah, that's right. That's what he did.
Look at him. Oh, look at the little one up there.
Yeah, you did see him. Just sitting on the rock. Oh, there's the little baby. He's up there. See him? That's the little baby. Your baby?
It's a nice enclosure for them. They can go around. Oh, you can see the big silverback coming out there.
Like you, just climbing up everything.
Climbing the tree for us.
You want to look at from over here?
All right, the primate house was pretty empty. They were just kind of sleepy. The gorillas were making some moves. That's cool. You can see them jumping around up there. There's a nice little window. Just another view into the gorilla enclosure. You can't really see anything on this side right now. They're all on the other side. Because on the back side, you can see these guys moving around, making some noise. Cool. That silverback just leaning up against the bamboo. There's another one just sitting over there. Whoa. Some action. There's what a butt of a zebra looks like. Zebra butt. Yeah, zebra. Here's some zebras eating. That one's not supposed to be eating that one. It's supposed to be eating out of the trough. Zebras on the move. Zebras on the move. Trying to find fresher hay. We've got the pathways marked with arrows telling you which direction to go, because they want people to they don't want people to congregate. They don't want people to go in lines. You know, they want you to follow a path to help prevent the spread of COVID, which is nice. Nice handy map. We are here. The bus drop off. That is not where I was dropped off. I made that must be like a different kind of bus drop off, because I was dropped off right here. Right here. So you can see the camels and zebras people's get. Okay, so this is the zoo. Where did we come in? We came in up here. So we're down here. So we'll walk down here. We'll walk around here. Go in the reptile house. Go in and out apparently. Probably shouldn't touch this. Then we'll be back by the pool, and then we can go to the north end. Take this circle. And then go back out. Not a huge zoo, but it's free and it's old and it's awesome. So let's go see the rest of it. This is an interesting piece of art. Look at that shaggy camel. There's a couple of them down there. With their humps, eating the grass, eating the hay. They'll spit on you if you get too close. Just keep at least 6 feet away from camels that will spray COVID-19 at you. There's some camels just chilling out back there. I think that one's dead. Maybe it's just asleep. Got a couple of red kangaroos just hanging out in the dirt. Alright, here we have a sculpture called The Rites of Spring by Milton Horn. I think he may have been the same artist who made that other statue. It's unfortunate someone thought it would be cool to put their little graffiti tag on there. Please don't do that. And he's got his own seal. That's pretty cool. Ostriches, doing what ostriches do. Pecking at the ground. Pecking at the hay. Got a nice little man-made pond here. Got some ducks swimming around. You got to see your mallards. Got cool bridges to walk across. So yeah, turtles. Those aren't real turtles. those are metal turtles. Metal turtles. All right, down on the other end of the pond, we've got a flock of flamingos hanging out. A beautiful waterfall with a metal bear. Metal. I'm zoomed in too close for my hand. Oh! Just got a bird poop on me. Oh my God. One of the dangers of coming to the zoo. Oh. God, I guess just being outside, enjoying nature, is you can get bird poop on you. Oh my goodness. Oh. All right, and this is the Park Place Cafe, I believe. I've got different themes of different types of food you can get. I will not be eating any of this today. I'm sure it's okay. I actually only even came in here just to find the bathroom to wash my hands. I cannot believe that bird pooped on my hand. What kind of craziness is that? They have all kinds of nice picnic tables out here. You can enjoy your food. Beautiful, beautiful day. All right, it is time to go inside the Regenstein Small Mammal Reptile. Regenstein Small Mammal Reptile House. So you got a line here in case it gets busy. Keep people queued up. All right, I just had to wait for a minute, but I had a nice conversation with the lady that was, regulating the people coming in and out, but not a long wait at all. Very nice. They just want to keep us all safe. So it's very cool. Let's go inside. Let's see some small mammals reptiles. Got some frogs. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at them lizards. Great leaping lizards. Here's your green tree python. Wrapped around a limb as they do. They're northern blue-tongued skink. Look at that. It looks kind of, it's got like a snake head, but it's got arms and legs. Oh my goodness. It's evolution right in front of our eyes. Here's a rattlesnake. Just kind of relaxing, not rattling. The Rio Fuerte beaded lizard. Cooling down in the water. A couple of them there. So cute, all cuddly. We have an armadillo in there. Nice. Some bettabongs. Those are mouse-like. It's really dark. It's hard to see. Here's the mongoose enclosure. Got some little mongoosing down here. Got a cluster of them up here, all cuddling up. These little dudes are vicious. It's kind of funny that they're in the same building as the snakes. Look at those little guys. All cuddled up for warmth. Happy little family. Oh, that area is closed. Wonder what was back there. This is neat. Kind of feels like a line at Disney World. I see a lot of. There should be some otters in here. I'm not seeing the otters. The otters are not around. And that's one thing about zoos. You know, the animals are on their own schedule, so they're not here to be performers for you. There we go. There's one. Crocodile, just hanging out for a while. A lot of goldfish bunched up. I feel like I'm back home. It's hot and humid in here. I can actually breathe. So we are in a terrarium enclosure now. There's some iguanas. There's an iguana right there. There's one up there moving around on the rock. Is I want a rock. All right, guys, it is noon, and the park's filling up a little bit more. This the Landmark Cafe is officially open. People are enjoying it now. We've seen the south end of the zoo. Now we're going to the little North Zoo area. No Ball Zoo Ball 2020 sponsors. So we got to go how the arrows tell us to go. So we're going this way. Birds of Prey exhibit. Look at the vultures. He's hanging out and saying, "What the hell are you looking at, dude? What are you looking at?" There's some tiny little birds in there that are definitely not birds of prey. Just hopping around, trying to steal the food. That right there is the European white stork. That is the stork that brings all the European babies home, in case you didn't know. So there you go. Down here we got some red river hogs. These are native to South America, not the Red River that goes between Texas and Oklahoma. You're just enjoying some hay on this beautiful day. This was closed. They just opened the gate. So they're just now letting people into the African journey. The guy was like, makes us wait for like 10 seconds. He's like, wait. Okay, you can go in. All right, so this is another hot and humid terrarium. There's some animals somewhere in here. Oh yeah, there's birds. Look at the bird. There's some Diana monkeys in here. You see them over there. There you go. Guy. Right there. He's throwing his refuse down. Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, the floor is spongy. He's not expecting that.
What kind of animals do you think are in here? Crocodiles. I don't see any right now, though.
Those hippos aren't real. They are metal. Here should be some pygmy hippos. Spongy floor. Oh, there it is. There it is.
Are you sitting one? All right.
So there's a little hippo. See, under the water. You can see it a little bit. It's just hanging out. Not a whole lot to do in here. On the African journey. Oh, look at these. Look at these little fellas. Those are clip springers. Clip springers. Springers. Clip springers. What is he looking at? He's like, staring at my butt, dude. Nope, that didn't work. Some guinea fowl. I wonder if they taste like chicken. It's the meerkats. Look at the one just standing on the top of the mound. One's getting some water. That one is the king of the mountain. You're the king of the mountain, dude. Look at this one. Running around, looking for stuff. What are you looking for? What is it? He's just running around, looking. Whee! Woohoo! The other one's dead asleep. And this one's the king of the mountain. Hi! They don't wave. Meerkats don't wave. They're cute though. Get a little closer up on this guy. Look how cute that dude is. He's like, yeah, I know. Thanks for making some other poses for me. The giraffes. This is the inside portion of the giraffe. You just turned the corner and surprised me. Hey, Mr. Giraffe. Hello. Oh, there's an aquarium with the fish. Look at all these fish. Whoa! And that is the African journey. Here's the giraffes. This is their outside area. The little hut. You can see Will's Tower over there. I think it's freaking huge. The giraffes are coming. Giraffes are coming to hang out. Here they come. Mighty magical giraffes. So beautiful. See their fenced barricade there. To kind of warn them, this is as far as you go, guys. All right, should be some polar bears in here. Let's follow the arrows. Here's some facts about the polar bears. And this is their enclosure, but they're not out here. They're probably in a refrigerated room where it's nice and cool. I don't blame them. Here are the rhinos coming through the gate. Might be able to see them a little better when we get to the other side. Oh, let's look at them. Here are the African painted dogs. Just kind of chilling out in the day. There's one asleep over there. Yeah. Dogs. Dogs at the zoo. These are not domesticated. Cannot domesticate an African painted dog. That would be pretty metal if you did. So you have to go through the seating area of the cafe to get to the Macaw forest entrance. The Regenstein Macaw. Regenstein macaque forest entrance. Macaques are this is the Judy and John Keller Pavilion. You too could get your name permanently etched somewhere in a zoo if you give them enough money. Which, you know, is a good thing. Money goes a long way to help the animals and help the conservation worldwide. I don't see any macaques in here. I do see lots of people dining and enjoying the beautiful weather. Look at those tulips. Those tulips are beautiful. Here's a picture of a macaque. Oh, here's some macaques grooming each other. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Monkey grooming footage. Hello. Look at that. Looking for bugs. Looking for things. You know, they're helping each other out. Pick it off, they eat it, and then the other one will do that to the other. macaque relationships work. Looking for ticks. Ticks and fleas are probably the biggest issues with macaques being outside. Yep. All right, we're not required to, but before we exit, let's visit the gift shop. All right, so I did not get anything in the gift shop. I like to get pens, like enamel pens and stickers. And they said that they're out of pens. They have some on order, but they're not here yet. That doesn't help me today when I'm here. And they don't have stickers, but she told me to go to the Welcome Center, that sometimes they have stickers they give kids when they come to the zoo. So I'm gonna go to the Welcome Center. Sure, I'll get a free sticker instead of giving money if that's all they have. Okay, the Welcome Center wasn't very welcoming. He kind of looked at me stupid when I told him, you know, the gift shop doesn't have pens or stickers, and they told me they might have stickers. And he's like, no, we don't have stickers. Like, oh, okay. So, yeah. I'm gonna make my way out of here. I'm gonna go eat some Chicago food, but before that, if you like seeing me get pooped on by a bird, give this video a thumbs up. If you just want to be a nice friend, you can give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, or any comments really help. Just say hi, nice video, anything. I try my best to reply to everything. Even spam messages I reply to. Just don't click any of the links anybody posts. So I'm gonna go get some food. I was gonna make a foodie video, but I'm not gonna do foodie videos. I'm gonna keep all the food stuff on Instagram. So follow my Instagram at The Most Epic Adventures, and you'll see some of the food stuff I did during my trip here to Chicago. Also do little food segments. If I'm, oh, child just ate it. If you want to see that, I'll still do food segments if I'm eating when I'm at a place, like I did at the White Sox game that I went to yesterday. It's a beautiful day here at the zoo. Beautiful day to go to a zoo. Wherever you are in the world, there's a zoo nearby. Support it. Go check it out. Give it a visit. Buy some pins and stickers if you can. I don't know. But beautiful day to enjoy nature. So I guess, like I said, leave a like, leave a comment, follow my Instagram, follow my Twitter at Most Epic Show, like the Facebook page at The Most Epic Adventures. And until next time, remember to drink water, listen to metal, enjoy nature, and have the most epic adventures. I'm Rob Zip. Thank you for watching.